bersama Asosiasi Origami Indonesia untuk pertemuan setelah Hari Raya. Ini kita mulai kembali untuk kelas 2 mingguannya. Untuk malam hari ini kita akan melipat bersama satu master origami dari Venezuela, yaitu David Martinez. Oke, Bu Patricia, nanti yang membantu untuk translate-nya bisa dimulai.
Okay. Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the origami online class from Asosiasi Origami Indonesia. So tonight we have a guest star from Venezuela, David Martinez. He is already famous with many beautiful designs, especially flowers, and then the ones from one sheet paper and then from the modular one. Okay, and then tonight we're going to fold pentagonal flower. So you have to prepare paper 15 by 15 centimeters or more, but it's the recommendation is 15 by 15 centimeters. Okay, so David, how are you? Good morning there.
Good morning.
Thank you for waking up earlier today.
Thanks to you. It's a very good opportunity to share. I love to share. I want to can we start or wait a moment?
I think we can start now because everybody is already in the class.
Okay. Okay. We are going to fold this model. Vamos a pegar este modelo. Está hecho con un pentágono del papel. We start with a pentagon and we need to fold. We are going to put the pentagon or fold the pentagon. I like to teach by steps. First, we start folding a pentagon, putting a pentagon, and in the next step is create or pre-fold all the lines of the model, and the last step is to collapse the model. Yes.
Okay.
A little patience, and I think it's moment to begin. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Let me translate for a while. Malam ini kita akan membuatnya dari kertas square dulu, kertas segi 4 dulu. Nanti bersama-sama kita akan membuat pentagonnya gitu. Jadi David ini memang senang kalau mengajar. Dia sekalian memberikan tipsnya ke kita. Jadi dia akan mengajari lewat dari bikin krisnya dulu, nanti akan kita kolaps bersama untuk membentuk bunganya, the pentagonal flower. Okay, David, you may start.
Okay. Well, we start with a square of paper. We start with a pentagon, but we need to put the pentagon first from a square of paper. We need tools like a rule or a cutter. Or I think to cut with a cutter is better than with scissors because it's more precise. And
Bisa disiapkan ini ya, penggaris dengan cutter. Menurut David akan lebih baik kalau pakai cutter daripada gunting karena hasilnya lebih presisi.
And a cutting table, yes. The recommended paper is 15 by 15 centimeters. Yes, or yes. You can do it in smaller, but for the workshop, I think it is the better size. Yes. We start with the coloring. It's not important the color at the beginning. Only with the at the last step, that is the collapse. Yes.
Oke. Ini sisi warna apa saja nggak masalah dulu, nanti baru akan terakhir ketika proses collapsing, baru nanti warnanya berpengaruh. Oke.
Okay. We need to fold this side to this side. Yes. And in the left side, you have to do a mark in the center of the paper. Yes, we need to only a mark. Yes, we need to fold this side to the side and create a mark in the center
Ya.
of the paper.
Hanya mark di bagian tengah-tengahnya kertas.
This is the mark created in the last step. Yes. Now we need to fold or mark over this mark, but in this form. Yes.
Ya. Dari mark yang sama, dari titik yang sama diangkat ke atas untuk dibuat di titik yang sama.
This create a
Like cross.
mark like a X. Yes.
Ya, cross.
Now we need to fold this point to the X mark, to the center of the X mark. Yes.
Ya. Di bawah yang titik sebelah kanan ke titik temu X tadi.
And fold. We are ready. Well, we need to fold this side to this side.
Kita bawa ke sisi sebelah kanan.
Now we have to fold this side to the center side, the center line. Yes.
Ya. Bawa sisi bagian kanan, bagian atas ke sisi segitiganya.
Well, now we have to turn and fold this side and fold in the middle, or this side to this side. Yes.
Lalu dibalik, lalu dipertemukan yang sisi belakangnya untuk dilipat.
It's necessary that this side is with the three layers are in the same line, yes?
Ya, ini penting untuk ketiga layersnya untuk rapih dalam sejajar gitu, sejajar. Jadi ketika nanti dipotong itu segi limanya akan rapih juga.
If you have some difference, you have to move the paper that these consequences are in the same parallel, yes?
Yeah.
It's a point. Well, we have this line, this ladder with this line here. It is the line we have to cut. Yes,
Yeah.
we have to cut all the layers with this line.
Yeah. Nanti di layer yang itu yang akan perlu digunting, dipotong.
And now, being the magic. If we unfold it, we have our pentagon.
Kalau dibuka lipatannya, kita dapat pentagon.
Tell me when we are ready.
So everybody okay with the pentagon? Semuanya udah berhasil dengan pentagonnya ya? Udah. Okay. I think everybody's fine, David. Yay.
Okay. I want to put down Lasiki. Searching. Okay.
Insya Allah siap ini. Kayaknya udah oke semua.
Udah.
Sudah oke kayaknya, ya.
Okay, everybody, I think okay, David. So we may continue with the pentagonal flower.
Okay. It's moment to continue.
Yeah.
Yes. We have to put the pentagon with this side in the up. Yes.
Yes.
Now we have to fold at 45 degrees angle or line.
Bu
But
Patricia,
it's not
sebentar.
marked. It's not marked completely. Yes.
Ya.
We need
Kenapa,
to.
Pak Usman? Ya. Kenapa?
Ini dimulai
Only
kalau
it.
pakai kertasnya dimulai yang putih di atas apa di bawah?
Okay. David, there's a question.
Only.
If we use like a kami paper with the one side white and the white side is color, so which side is on the upside?
Okay, don't worry in this moment. Don't worry about
don't
it.
worry.
I in the third step or on of the workshop, I tell you what's color. Yes.
Okay. Katanya nggak masalah, Pak Usman. Mana aja. Okay. Okay, you may continue.
Now we have to pre-fold and like mark the CP of the model, and the last step is to collage. In the collage, we start with a color up, but with a color up with a color button. Yes.
Ya. Oke, kita bikin crease-nya dulu ya.
It's the geometrical models. The geometrical models are very special because it's like repeat the same 3 steps to obtain a shape. Yes. Literally is to fold. Literally, this model has 3 or 4 steps, but folds, but you have to repeating in every petal. I think
Ya, ya,
yes.
ya, ya.
Eh,
Kalau dalam
or
bentuk geometri emang biasanya akan berulang, stepnya akan berulang gitu dari setiap sisinya. Oke?
okay, okay, or side of the polygon. Yes.
Ya.
Well, we need to fold. We need to fold this. Sorry for my cat. We need to fold this to put this side in the up. Yes.
Ya.
In every moment. And now we have to fold 45 degrees angle and but it's ouch. But it's to translate this. Not fold completely, only it. Yes. Only it. And we have a line here. Yes. We have a line here. This line is the line we have to fold.
Oh, dimulai dengan melipatnya 45 derajat, tapi nggak usah full di lipatnya, hanya di ujung masing-masing garisnya aja. Lipat 45 derajat ke garis tengahnya.
Yes.
Oke.
Now we have this new fold here.
Ya, sekarang kita punya garis baru.
It's the same fold put the next side in the up and the same fold.
Lakukan hal yang sama.
Notice all the line.
Ya, ya.
It's only change this fold.
Jangan di garis semuanya, hanya di garis ujungnya aja. Lipat 45 derajat.
Now we have in the 5 sides.
Sekarang
The
kita
new
punya
line, yes.
Ya, kita punya garis baru di kelima sisinya.
It is the start line of this model. We are really old.
Ini sampai ini masih persis sama ya?
Iya.
We are ready to.
Oke.
Some question?
No.
Oke, lanjut.
Now we have to translate this fold to the left, yes, in every side, and we have to fold this. It's the same with this side in the up, fold in the middle,
Lipat
and
di tengah.
with this line, we translate the fold.
Oh, lalu dilipat yang tadi kita membuat garis lipatan barunya.
Translated fold, yes. unfold, and we have now in the left and in the right the same.
Oke, lalu dibuka. Dilakukan di sisi yang lain.
Now we have these triangles in all sides.
Sekarang kita punya segitiga-segitiga di tiap sisi. Oke, susahnya apa?
Well, we're reading now. The next step is to fold, but to fold this. But
Oke,
now
siapa tadi yang masih kesulitan tadi buka itu?
Tunggu tadi. Apa ya tadi tuh?
But now, with this point in the
Oke, ini mau
Lutfan.
dilanjutkan dulu. Ini mau dilanjutkan dulu, Pak Usman, apa gimana?
Saya. Sebentar.
Wait for a while, David. Okay, I think there's someone who still have a problem.
Tadi Lutfan ya?
Iya.
Kok nggak ada sekarang?
Iya, nggak tahu apa keluar ya.
Iya.
Ya udah, nggak apa-apa, lanjutin aja, Pak Usman.
Oke, lanjut ya. Nanti biar rekaman aja.
Ya. You may continue, David.
Thank you. Well, we need to fold this step or this line now. It's a line to put the pentagon in a little pentagon in the center. Yes, we need to fold. We need to put the paper or fold in middle. You remember it, but now is it? And put the point in the yes.
Yeah.
We have the this intersection created in the last fold, and we have to fold this from this only from this to this side the paper. Yes.
Okay.
Like something like it.
Ya. Posisi segi
Only from this
limanya yang
to this.
ya. Posisi segi limanya yang pointingnya madep di atas itu dilipat hanya dari intersection garis yang kita bikin ke bawah.
Okay.
Oke.
My cat is teaching too.
What's your cat's name?
My cat name is Lito.
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 Is it a she or he?
He is a male. He's male.
Oh, man.
Well, we need to fold in the same with the other side. Only from the intersection to the side, yes?
Oke. Lakukan hal yang
And
sama
this is parallel.
di yang lain.
And this is parallel to this side.
Ya, paralel ke bawah dari intersection dari garis yang kita buat sebelumnya.
When we end with these folds, we have a new pentagon in the center.
Langkah yang baru saja kita buat menciptakan ada pentagon yang lebih kecil di bagian tengah kertas. Okay, everybody okay? Any question from here until here? Ada pertanyaan sampai langkah ini? Atau semuanya udah oke?
Kalau nggak ada yang nanya, lanjut.
Oke. I think everybody okay, David.
Okay. Sorry. Well, now again, this side in the up, yes. And fold in the middle again.
Dari tengah.
Now we have to fold a line or a bisection of this angle. Now we with the last fold, we have to fold this side to the last fold, yes, but only from this to the center.
Okay.
So like this.
Lipat dari sisi kanan ke tengah-tengah, tapi hanya bagian ujungnya.
But only to this. Unfold and repeat in the other 4 sides.
Dibuka lagi, kemudian lakukan hal yang sama di sisi yang lain.
It creates a star in the center.
Ya.
Star in the
Jadi
center.
ada bentuk bintang ya di tengah.
Lipatannya ini Bu, berarti berulang-ulang sama gayanya.
Iya, lipatannya berulang-ulang. Kan tadi dia bilang tipe desain geometriknya dia itu memang berulang di setiap sisi.
Ya. Oke.
Okay. We have this star in the center. Now, it's very interesting because it's and now with the point in the off to the middle again. And fold to the side of the star, the side of the paper, just the side of the star, creating the last step with the side of the paper. Unfold and repeat. With the side of the star, because you can confuse with the side of the little pentagon, just with the side of the star.
Iya ya, jangan salah dengan acuan garisnya, tapi ini dari yang bentuk bintang yang tadi terbentuk patokan garisnya. David, are you using a type of paper like pearl paper or metallic one?
Sorry.
The type of paper that you use is shining like a pearl or
It's
metallic.
shining, yes. It's a paper. It's a paper. It's letter paper. It's
Oh.
copy paper, but it's painted. A friend here in Colombia do this paper.
Oh, beautiful color also.
Yes, it's shining and have a very beautiful colors, I think.
Wow, it comes from. It comes in many colors, different colors. Yeah.
Kayak kalau di Astro perlu gitu Ibu ya.
Iya, makanya tadi aku tanya kayak ada mengkilap-mengkilapnya soalnya.
Iya. Astro kan model yang pearl itu yang apa itu? Ada kayak
Cantik
bintik-bintiknya
banget
gitu.
warnanya. Yeah, so many beautiful colors.
They are very beautiful colors.
Bikin cetak sendiri atau memang dari sana?
Ada di sana. Colombia ada.
Yes, the name of the brand is Andipal.
Oh.
Because the Andes. Well, we are ready with with these two folds, the start and the side to side. Now we have a very complex CP mark.
Sekarang udah mulai kelihatan kompleks ya ininya, lipatan dari
udah numpuk-numpuk ya.
Udah mulai numpuk-numpuk, betul.
Well, we need to fold the center lines to begin to collapse. Yes. Now we have to fold a cut or one pentagon, one more pentagon from these points. Yes. Cutting this triangle in the middle. I think, or sorry, not the middle. It is within this point. Yes, we need to fold. We need to fold this line respect to this point
Kita akan membuat pentagon
with the
lagi
line
di tengah.
and mark, but mark only into the triangle. Yes,
Ya.
into this line and this line.
Hanya garisnya hanya sepanjang yang berbentuk segitiga. Dari poin atas ke tengah.
It creates this new line to cut the pentagon. And we are going to create other little pentagon in the center.
Ya. Lakukan di semua sisi, kita akan membuat pentagon yang lebih kecil di tengah-tengah.
With the line, yes, the point with the line. We're ready.
Oke, sudah ada pentagon lagi yang lebih kecil di tengah-tengah.
Well, now we have to fold a little pentagon in the center, or little pentagon, but it is easy because it's a pentagon created with a bigger pentagon in the center and fold to the line, to the center, and fold. Yes, it creates a new line in the bottom of the last line. Yes.
Could you repeat again the last step?
Okay. With the point in the top, in the bottom, sorry, we have to fold the first line that you find in mountain without fold it. Yes.
Yeah.
Go to the center and fold and mark. It creates a new pentagon, a new little pentagon, or a new little line, sorry. Again, the first line you find, mountain,
pertama,
and the point to the center,
dibawa ke tengah, titik tengah.
parallel,
paralel dengan di tengah.
fold or mark, and unfold. It creates a new line. Yeah, I have a tip when you can't do when you can all that you want don't want in the in the model, in the final model. Well, mountain, but don't fall completely. Yes, because this angle is it like that. It's the same angle, but in this point the angle change. And not fold completely because it
Lipatnya jangan
destroy
sampai
your
ke
block.
ujung ya.
this last fold is the most important because we have this fold to collapse. To collapse the we have to collapse with this pentagon, with this little pentagon. Yes, we need to fold this very, very well. And we are ready to collapse.
Oke, semuanya sudah sama stepnya karena kita akan collapsing setelah ini. Everybody okay until this step? Because
Okay.
this is the last step before we are collapsing. Any question? No?
There's one question, yes.
No, I think everybody okay.
Searching my yes. We are already
Okay.
okay, yes.
Okay, we're ready.
We are ready to collapse? Yes. Well, we are in this moment. You can select the color of the flower. The color of the flower is that we start where we start to collapse with the bottom flower, well, with the bottom color. Yes, with the bottom color we start to collapse. In this case is blue. In my case is green. I want my flower in red.
Oke. Ini kalau mulai collapsing, ya. Jadi warnanya, warna bunganya itu yang menghadap ke atas ya. Oke.
Yes.
Jadi kalau David ini warna kuning.
If I want my flower in red, I have to begin to collapse in green.
Oke.
Yes. Okay.
Jadi disuruh dibalik ya. Ya.
Okay. To start, I have to select this little pentagon that we fold in the last step. Yes. This little pentagon, this little pentagon with the my flower in this moment is have the color select. Yes, the color of my flower will be red.
Yeah.
Look at the little pentagon.
Ya, mulai dari yang pentagon paling kecil di tengah.
Now fold in mountain the little pentagon.
Dilipat mountain.
Mountain. And fold in mountain the line that begins in the point of the little pentagon to the side. Yes.
Ya, lalu dilipat ujung-ujungnya ke pinggir.
This is a little nightmare. Now we have this because it's a three-dimensional, and when the people, most people, when fold three-dimensional models, it's difficult to say. Well, entonces, now we have to collapse. If you pinch or you have to this star to fold this star, yes?
Ya, ya. Bentuk
If
seperti
you
bintang.
pinch
Pinch.
the
Ya.
the
Setiap ujung-ujungnya.
point of the pentagon, you have to do this star and have to and have this collapse. It's important that the point have this shape. Yes. The center lines are in mountain. If you look, mountain valley, mountain valley. Well, now we have a line here. If you remember, to look at it. Yes, we have a line here, and we are ready with the collapse.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Okay. We have this line here.
Yeah.
Now fold this line and fold the layer. Yes.
Tadi ada garis kecil di bawahnya. Di fold ke bawah.
And do this. Yes. It's like sorry.
Yeah.
We have this line. Yes.
Yes.
Fold to the bottom and fold this layer and fold this layer too. It creates like a triangle, like a squash triangle. Yes.
And lalu squash bagian segitiganya.
Okay. Unfold.
Lalu di unfold.
Move like a book and the same in the other side.
Lalu
with 4 sides.
Lalu dilakukan hal yang sama di keempat sisinya.
Unfold and like a book and the same. We create these squares. Tell me when we are okay.
Okay? Yes, everybody okay? You may continue, David. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Remember that the shape is the same that in the beginning. We have to fold only the squares. Yes. Sorry. Perdón. Well. Now, the color of, remember that this is the button color. In this moment, you can change if you have a mistake, you can change the color. I want my flower in red. It's guava. Guayaba.
Yeah.
The color is really the color. Well, well, we need to fold this side, this triangle and this little line, but we have to fold it in a mountain, but opening opening a bit. It's like a three-dimensional work, but it's very easy because you have the folds. You can't do any new folds here. Yes, only with the folds that we have. We have this triangle, the point of the third, and this little line here in the point of the third, in the point of the point of the third. Now we have to invert or convert it in a mountain. Yes, and the same with the other, and it collapse only with the model. Return the collapse of the model. Yes.
Yeah.
The same with the other.
Yeah. Diubah jadi ke mountain.
It collapse the model again. Yes.
Yeah.
It's three-dimensional in this moment, but it collapsed the model again. Okay. Remember the center, the start point, the point of the start, and this side is mountain. It is this fold. And we have this little star, beautiful. The bottom.
Yeah. The bottom side is also beautiful.
Yes. I'm gonna start this week. I am folding new models that.
Wow. Wow, you have many new models now.
Yes, with my family. Already.
It's from Pentagon. All from Pentagon?
Yes, are from Pentagon. And sometimes Ranimon, little.
Ah.
Hey.
It's a cat, right? It's
Yeah.
like your cat.
Yes, my cat. Yes, sir.
Wait.
Yeah, like the The new one.
Seginam itu ya, segadi seginam ah.
Yeah,
Nah, ini.
hexagon.
Hmm.
Okay.
Well, we are ready. If we are ready, we have to vamos a retomar estos pequeños dobleces como para darle giro a esto. We fold this Lani mountain, this Lani mountain, but it not collapse completely because this the physics don't. But we have a little curve in the center.
Yeah.
And we have to fold it to a direction. Yes.
Yeah.
To a
Jadi mountain
direction.
fognya dibawa ke kiri.
A valley fold in this.
Valley fold.
Yes. It curves the model to you a little. A little is a little curve. Yes. But create this sense of curve in the center.
Yeah.
Yes.
Membuat seperti curve di bagian tengahnya.
It curves the model a bit. Yes. And create this little star. Very beautiful.
Bagian bawahnya terbentuk little
in the
star, ada
bottom.
bintang kecil.
In the bottom.
Bawahnya juga ini ya, bagus berarti ya.
Iya, bagian bawahnya juga bagus.
Yeah.
The bottom part is also
Well,
beautiful.
yes. Well, we destroy this beautiful star. Yes. We collapse this in the bottom. In the bottom, try to collapse this to the shape. To the to collapse or push this and convert this beautiful star in a pentagon, and horrible pentagon.
Starnya di squash.
Bye star.
Bye star.
When I see the star, it's going, oh, sorry.
Sorry, star.
Now we have this horrible pentagon in the bottom,
Yeah.
but it is important because it maintains the curve of the model. Yes. At the end, it break. Sorry. Now we have to fold or go or put in this in 90 degrees 90 degrees the sides. Yes.
Yeah.
It maintains the curve in the center. 90 degrees. It's a three-dimensional work. Yes. When we are ready, tell me when.
Yes, you may continue, David.
Well, we have here this the first line, the first fold.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Yes.
The first fold is in mountain. Open a bit and mountain.
Yang
And
lipatan
close.
tadi yang segitiga ya, lipatan segitiga tadi dilipat mountain, dibuka dan dilipat.
Probably a fold to a side, another side to mark. Yes.
Dan dilipat
When you have
ke
this,
kiri dan ke kanan.
just open a bit and
Dibuka
mountain,
sedikit lalu dilipat ke dalam.
close, a bit outside, a bit outside.
Ditutup, dilipat ke kanan, lipat ke kiri.
Now it's a very beautiful model. Now.
Wow.
Tell me when we are ready.
Yes. Everybody? Okay. Ready? Yes.
Well, we need to fold the center of the model and we have to fold or open. And I use my finger, the finger, yes, in the center and fold the point. Okay, sorry. The finger, this
Dibuka gitu ya.
this side to the side, this side to the side, yes,
Dibuka bagian tengahnya.
and a pinch here. Yes. Again. With a finger and a pinch here. A pinch here.
Wow.
Try to this side correspond to this to the center, yes?
Yes.
And a pinch. With the nail, a pinch.
Yes.
Match. This line match with the center, yes?
Yeah.
And a pinch. Now it force to the center a bit.
Dibawa ke tengah sedikit untuk ngebentuk petal setengahnya.
Sometimes it fights, but
Wih. So beautiful. Wow.
You can do it to yes, like it, like it to the center, and pinch a bit.
Bisa dipinch sedikit ke tengah untuk ngebentuk shaping
And
flower bagian
it's
tengah.
ready. We are ready for more.
Yay, and it's ready. Wow.
It depends on the paper. The red paper is like a copy paper, literally, and it maintains better than this. It is thinner, yes.
Yeah.
This paper is thinner than this.
The left one is like the kami paper, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
We are ready with our flowers.
Bunganya udah jadi. So everybody okay with the steps? You have the flowers. Wow.
Sobek.
Bagian tengahnya ya, sobeknya ya.
Ini pas ini.
Punya aku kekecilan tengahnya.
Bolong-bolong
Oh
sini.
iya. Karena lipatannya numpuk emang biasanya suka challengingnya bagian tengah. It's okay.
It's okay.
Tuh,
Harus
Suri.
ini barang mungkin bisa kasih saran kertas apa gitu supaya ini nggak sobek-sobek di sini.
Okay. So David, do you have any tips what type of papers that we may use? So sometimes it's broken in the middle, right? Sometimes the paper is clear apart in the middle.
Yes.
Yeah.
But we can use 120 papers like it
Tebal ya, 120.
Oh, 100 grams.
100 90.
Tebal banget kertas karton dong.
90.
Oh
Like
ya
it.
cukup lah. Ini kalau kami kan cuma 70.
Yes.
Ya.
Kalau
It's
kamu
copy
dia
paper.
sobek kayaknya.
Kenapa?
Tengahnya ini yang sobek. Kalau
Iya.
kami dia kayaknya lepas standar sobek tengahnya karena kan berulang-ulang tadi lipatnya.
Ya.
Ini apalagi pas bagian sini nih, di belakang lekukan ini bolong-bolong. Lihat.
Yes.
Udah
Yes,
ini ya,
yes.
bolong ke sini ya.
But I, for example, I don't.
90 mungkin ya, Kak Wuri ya.
But in the center, yes.
90 gram ya.
Tengahnya
Susah banget sih yang mana. Okay, let's take a picture. Wait a second. I will see the recording.